Hello, welcome to the Cacao Berry Chocolate Academy. Today, using the Beaux-Arts product line, we're going to make different kinds of lollipops with truffle shells, magnetic molds, chocolate shells, and mini chocolate boxes. We're going to work with some pre-made truffle shells. We have three sorts, one black, one milk, and one white. I'm going to use these truffle shells that are ready to fill. Inside, I'll put a ganache. We'll fill it well, being careful to leave 1 or 2 millimeters to be able to correctly finish it. Be sure the pastry tip is all the way at the bottom to avoid air bubbles inside. Then we're just going to add the stick. We're going to put a drop of melted chocolate, tempered at 31 degrees. You can take the lollipop stick and place it. Here's a little trick, Philip, to get the sticks straight, so they're all nicely lined up in our display cabinet. Use a ruler like this to line up all the sticks. Our lollipops are hardened. Now we can dip them in well-tempered, extra bitter Guayaquil 64% dark chocolate, leaving only a little point of chocolate here. Then place them directly on the tiny beads. Another type of finish, for our milk truffle balls, we use lacté berry milk chocolate, well tempered of course, and the same technique using vermicelli. To finish them, we're going to place the vermicelli like this on the top of the lollipop. So, Philip, a third type of finish for white chocolate lollipops, okay, is making translucent discs. I take a cap from a bottle, I dip just the top in white tempered chocolate, and then directly on my sheet. We've used Zephyr white chocolate tempered at 28 degrees. We've chosen to mix these silver and gold flakes, and we sprinkle them directly on the discs that are still soft. Then you just have to lift off the discs. The discs, you can see it's translucent. And we're going to turn them over near our shells. We take the lollipop, dip it again, and place it here, like this, on the inverted disc. In the lollipop product line, we're going to offer heart and round shapes with magnetic molds. You have to have this type of transfer sheet that you'll find in Les Beaux-Arts catalog. I place my transfer sheet on the metal plate, and I put the magnetic mold on top, and then magnetize it directly to the mold. The second part consists of adding the sticks. We're just going to put some couverture directly inside the hollow. It's important to also place a little chocolate on the stick to make sure the stick is really part of the lollipop. Then you can simply sprinkle chocolate microbeads, vermicelli, and that way add crunch. We have a second example where we made hearts. It's really simple to unmold them. Just take a cutter, take the stick, twist the lollipop, and then directly unmold it. Another application for lollipops is to use pre-printed chocolate shells. We can put either praline or ganache in the center. We've chosen the praline option. Praline, you fill it to about 2/3 the height of the shell. And here we're going to add tempered extra bitter Guayaquil directly on top of the praline. I put in the chocolate to fill my shell, and then we're going to just add the sticks. I place the chocolate sticks like this, straight. We're going to add some micro beads on the surface, just like that. Some micro beads. We've presented them on a small tray so you can see the available motifs. And we also have these forms, square, round, and rectangular, that you can use for plated desserts or also serve with coffee. Serve with coffee. These rectangular boxes can be garnished like this with a praline made of 400 grams of Harmony Lacté per kilo. You fill it to about half the height of the shell. Then, we're going to decorate with small branches that we'll make using chocolate pearls. You make them by putting tempered extra bitter Guayaquil couverture directly on the pearls to make little sticks with a raised pattern. We'll get this result, Philip. There. There, of course, with the crunch. Something a bit rough, very chocolate. Here we're going to cover with tempered couverture to be able to plant, if I can say that, the chocolate sticks. And the finish can be done using colored microbeads. Here you have the truffle balls with 3 different applications: chocolate microbeads, vermicelli, and the translucent discs. Here you have the magnetic lollipops. There are also heart-shaped and round lollipops with silkscreen designs. 2 more applications, more for restaurants, to serve with coffee. We have chocolate shells already printed with chocolate sticks we made. And here we have a little accompaniment to coffee, rectangular boxes decorated with praline and chocolate pearls. You'll find the whole Les Beaux-Arts product line at cacaoberry.com.